This is our very dirty little horse. Hey, we're just gonna brush you in the paddock for a minute because you look a hot mess. All he cares about right now is eating. Nom, 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 nom. Hey, you're too close to the camera. Whoa, is somebody shedding? It's been raining a lot, so we decided to give him a little outdoor time and do our grooming in the paddock so he can enjoy his lunch. There is a cloud of dust. Let me say a literal cloud of dust. I don't know how this is possible. If you look at the ground from here, it looks like really sunny outside. Then you look up, and it's not. So that's fun. Hey, where are the brushes? Over there somewhere. Oh, what? They're all the way over there. Whoa. They're like all the way over there. Like right there. Like, whoa. We realized that putting a hoof pick in the middle of the field, probably not the best idea. So I'm going to go get it. Got the hoof pick, and there's something in my shoe. Oh my gosh, it's moving. I forgot the comb, so I'm gonna go get that. I gotta comb his mane, and he walked off. I don't know what she is doing way over there, dancing in the middle of the field, but it is definitely not helping with this whole grooming situation. Okay, Johnny, here's the comb. Now stay still. Ah, not too bad. And she's still over there dancing. Yeah, I'm just gonna get back to working. All of that grooming yesterday, and he's dirty again. It was like it was all for nothing. And it's cold. Really cold. We are going to need to put his bigger blanket on him. Okay? Okay, it's cold. Let's go in. I can't take it any longer. It's so dark in the barn. Johnny and Bella are way down there. Looks like she's putting him in the stall. Putting that nice heavy blanket on him so he is all tucked in nicely for the night. It's supposed to drop down into like the 20s. So, gotta make sure Johnny's good. What are you doing?
I'm warming my hands under the blanket.
Good night, Johnny. It's Thursday, and someone has a lot of homework, so they're busy working on that. I guess it's up to me to go and get Johnny out of the paddock. This is like the nicest weather we've had in a while. It's like 54 degrees, which is awesome. Just gotta grab his stuff. There we go. Since it's not freezing, I'm gonna try to lunge Johnny today. Or maybe little Froggy can lunge Johnny. What's up, Johnny? He does not want to be caught. All right, come here, you. No? Oh, you're gonna run off? That's not real nice. Why are you being so mean to me, Johnny? I just want to put the halter on you. And you want to keep running off. Ha! Caught him. I am going to go and tack him up right fast and get him cleaned up. He's a little dirty because, you know, it's Johnny and he loves to roll around. But I'm gonna get him ready while she does her homework in the car. Hopefully this will give her enough time to get her homework finished. And then she can lunge him.
I am not almost done with my homework. I'm like about halfway through. I have a whole project to do after I finish this. So that's fun. I'd much rather be in the barn with Johnny, but I really have to get this done.
Alright, here's his bridle. I hope he's clean. It was pretty dark in there. Looks like I missed a few spots. I'm really glad we were able to lunge him today. It's been raining for the last few days off and on, so glad he was able to get out and stretch his legs. best. We've been dealing with rain and cold and fog all week long. But we were still able to come out quite a few times, and grooming Johnny was the biggest hassle all week long because of all the mud. He was super dirty, and yeah, it was like a never-ending battle. But you got to get out and clean your horse. You gotta groom him to make sure he's taken care of and that there's no like bumps and scars all over him. So yeah, it had to be done. I think we're just gonna let Johnny chill outside today. So it's not good weather for riding or lunging or anything. It's just gonna tear up the arena. So he's outside. It's not raining right now, and we're just gonna let him chill and eat some grass. Do you see how much help she is? Yeah, that's been all week. And surprise, surprise, he is dirty again. Wow, that blanket is a mess. Yeah. Look at his face. Why are you so muddy? Ah, Johnny. I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
Thank you for joining us for another Fabsome Horses.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!